Okay, Alexi Balian back, Mr. Balian to you in my class. So let's finish this up, okay? I believe we've done the squash. Let's just play this for a second. And the point now is to add the stretch, and we're done. We're done, Ski. It is going to be over. And I'm sorry it's taken so much time, but it's worth learning this. And afterwards, other things will come easy. You have to trust me on this. It is meticulous. It takes time. Okay, so procedural for sure. Lots of process. So look here, boom, starting here, gradually coming down, squashing, and we don't have the stretch at this point, so we'll add that and finish this up. Oh yes. Let's go to panel, layouts, 2-pane stacked. Ideally I would do 3-pane stacked, but I don't want to confuse you guys because I would have a camera on the right perspective view here or orthographic view, and I would have this here. All right, let's look at this and see what we've got. Why only? Okay, yes, we have. Okay, there it is. And man, I should just get rid of this viewport somewhere up here in display. Heads up display, caps lock, view axes, viewport render. Is that right? Yeah, good. Okay, so we have a solid sphere going into a squash, holding it, becoming a solid sphere. If I want, I could even hold it there, no problem. Somewhere over here, I need a stretch. Okay, guys? A stretch between here and here. Because the whole point is squash and stretch. So at this point, there is no stretch. Do you see that? Okay, so at 19, it becomes solid. And let me see the far point here, somewhere there. So I would say you're not bad. You could be up a bit more. Okay, let's just bring this halfway. Sorry, guys. Okay, so what I want to do, I want to add a stretch, right? Okay, I've demoed that earlier in the, I think, tutorial 2 in detail. So 15, 16 solid, somewhere here. Let's just pop it over here, 16 even. I'm going to test it out. Okay, scale on the Y. Press R. If it doesn't work, come over here. Scale tool. Sweet. And let's go up. Okay, just a touch. And let's go to, okay, wow, that's 1.5, eh? Ooh, I'm going to go to 1.35. Okay, W. Let's bring it up here a bit. Okay, so look at the change here. Ding. And that's pretty sweet, eh? So Maya's doing the rest for us, right? Look at that. So if that's 1.35, I'm going to go to 0.8 here. I'm going to cheat and 0.8 there. Okay, you're not going to see that too much. Sweet. Yeah. Somewhere up here, and the top is there. Like if I had my tablet right now, I would be drawing out the top, the bottom, the middle, and I could do that with a mouse, obviously. Let's see. You know what? Let's not confuse you even more. Sorry. Okay, so here we go. Boom. And there it is. Squash into a stretch, and the stretch becomes whole right about here. So what I want to do now, again, guys, if you walk away right now, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Oh, what a disaster. Look at these weird curves going on here. So what you want to do is spend a bit of time here. So I'm going to go save as right now. And there it is, 08. I'll put stretch, okay? 08 stretch, and I don't need you, my friend. Bye-bye. So that's the grease pencil. It's awesome, awesome. Another time, another time. Okay, so what I want to do is work on this, okay? We've got some really nice things happening. Look, on the way in, gradual, ease out, okay, into this, right? So I could even go, you're going to be like this. Oh, yeah. There's a nice curve there. Look, boom. So there's an impact. There's like a hold, a squash, you know, and I could even delete that one day. We can have a hold to a squash. So I'm just holding it, okay? I could even take this out, but let's just keep things simple. So remember, I don't want you guys to follow every step I take. I'd like you to take less notes and say, okay, in order for me to hold something in place, what did he do? What did he do to squash it? How did he do a stretch? What were the numbers? What was the steps? You know, like, you got to play around, guys. This is animation. There's no perfect way to do things. It's very intuitive. So here we go. Squash, it's held. Beautiful. Then it goes to solid, and then I'm going to a stretch, right? So the stretch ends somewhere up here at frame 19. No problem. And so, okay, so we get that. Okay, I'm going to save. Don't want anything to go wrong here. Okay, so now I'm going to do is do a little cleanup down here, okay? So I'm looking here. Boom, hold, sharp in here, okay? So let's go in here so we can see the entire screen. Sorry, guys, I don't have a lot of screen real estate here. So let's look. Solid, solid, squash, squash, 13, 14. and it's going to go here, and we want to go gradual if you want. See here? Look, guys. Is it broken? No. We need to break the tangent, which is an elbow here. So you can go, and you can go like soft if you want. That's possible. And this could go, you know, something like that. I can even stretch it out even more. So this is going in. Let's see here. Boom. Now I want this to be sharp here. Okay, so from here to here, it's a 1 frame difference. So we'll make this sharp in here, guys. Look, in here. So the way I'm selecting, I'm marking the tip, holding the middle scroll down. Let's do that, sharp. I'm going to take this, I have a feeling I'm going to fix the other one. Okay, so see here, it's a diagonal line, and I believe this needs to come down a bit more. So you want that perfect curve, and nice sharp. So I want to, boom, quick, right here. Okay, it's a 1 frame change, quick. And where did we go? Where are you, buddy? 15 to here. This is a disaster here. What is happening? Man, we're doing like a lot of quick things, guys. Look, squash, squash, ball, ball, ball 2. Okay, we'll take this over 2 frames. Hold shift, bring it over here, and it's going to mess up even more. So here, let me take this up. You're going that way. Sharp. If this is not broken, you're not going to be able to do this properly. Like, look, this is kind of nice, but here maybe not. Look, see? Squash into here. So let's break the tangent, the elbow right here, and make this something like that. I don't know if this is going to work, but we need to try. Okay? Oh boy, I'm just remembering Yoda. There is no try. It's do or do not. Okay, so we are going to do this. Let me check here. Break the tangent. Okay, so it's a quick transition. Like, look, squash, fake a solid, and then come up here. Okay, we're cool. And then what I want to do is fix this part. Okay, so I want to come out pretty sharp, and then I want to gradually slow into the top. Okay, so again, so look closely, guys. I'm sorry, this is very technical. I apologize. Okay, down here, it's a solid sphere at a scale of 1, 1, 1. Very nice. Then you come back. You hold that for 2 frames, no problem. Then you squash for 2 frames. That's a hold, so it's a copy paste. So from 14 to 15, boom, it's a solid again. Okay, and this is different than most people. Most people are following Brian LeMay's technique, which is a nice illusion of a squash solid to a, oh yeah, look how sweet that is. Look at that transition. So we're doing, everything is sharp here, sharp, until we get up to the top part here. Okay, and of course I could change all this. I could make it all gradual. As long as the hit, guys, as long as your squash and stretch happens with a good impact, the rest really could be like a gradual ease. Okay, so please understand that. And I know animation is very confusing when it comes to its terminology. Yeah, let's not talk about golden poses and extremes and keys. Okay, so I'm rambling. So here we go. Boom, just like that. Oh yeah, I think that's looking pretty good. Okay, I'm going to bring this down. I'm going to zoom in. I'm going to actually even minimize this. So I'm going to do a test blast, a play blast. Okay, buddy, stay. Here we go. I'm going to just I want to make sure. Okay, it's saving. It's doing something in the back. Arnold is rendering. I don't know why. Okay, here we go. We're going to stay like that, somewhat centered. Okay, so I'm going to come over here, play blast, option. This may end it, people. This may be the end. Let's go 8. All right, how many minutes is this? Oh, 9 minutes already. So sorry. Play blast. Uh-oh, not liking that. Oh yeah, there's something wrong here. No problem. Command S, save as, change the number, go to 9. Let's see what we can do. Yeah, so I'm just going to write, there's something, did I? Play blast, here we go. Let's go to number 9 and browse, find where it is. I'm not seeing these, are we? Oh yeah, so it's here, so I'm just going to go 09, just one number, that's it. Okay, it's called number 9. Number 9. Oh, don't do this to me. Okay, so now we're going to have to go into the settings. Thanks, Arnold. Okay, why don't I go to Maya Hardware. Maya Hardware. Actually, I'm just going to leave it. Yeah, let's go to even software. We're going to go to highest quality. Okay, so we're going to Maya software just right now, and I'm going to use the perspective. 96540 does not matter. However, let me just go by presets, perspective. Oh, that's why it's not perspective, it's the front view. Okay, cool. So where's the camera? It's the front view. Okay, so let's see if this is going to help us at all. Play blast. Okay, there we go. Sometimes we're confusing Maya in terms of what camera we're using. Sorry, guys. Okay, loop this, shut it down. Not bad. Loving it. Loving it. Okay, this is good. It's coming down and gradually going up. It's hanging without hitting a wall. It's not hitting a wall here. There's no huge impact because we've eased the curve like this. See this movement? We have it like that. So it slows into the top. It slows out and it slows in. Sweetness. Loving it. Okay, Balian out. Hopefully this is not longer than 10 minutes. Okay, we've got the squash and we now have the stretch. Sweet. And very simple. Let's do this. Okay, bye-bye. Balian out. See ya.